Hello, hello, it's me, Rhonda of Rhonda Said. Hoping you're having a great day today, or day of your choice. Today, I have my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and it feels a little heavy. I'm really excited about it. I'm gonna sing about it. I said about it twice, so that means I'm a poor lyricist. This is a $29 bag. Almost 30 bucks. Because they added $1.99 like handling fee or some crap. And I already know what I'm getting in here, but it's always different when I finally get to see it. Because it's one thing to have the list, but to see what's in here is different. There's some stuff in the bag, there's stuff in this bag, there's stuff in this bag. Let's see, and this is a pretty bag. It's a shiny, shimmery, summery. And we've got a card that says, Hotel Paradise, warm breezes, lush landscapes, major glow this month. And it says the itinerary, mindful awareness, reconnect to your routine, unwind with a bath, minimize screen time. Ha 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 ha! I'm never going to minimize my screen time. I'm addicted to my phone. I'm addicted to YouTube. I'm addicted to the interwebs. I'm addicted to Facebook. I'm addicted to you. So the first thing we have here is the Royal Face Wash from Dew of the Gods, Froze. And it is an Equiline Cream Facial Cleanser. Let me put my glasses on and see if I can read about it. It says, there was a time when rosé was reserved for the royalty. Okay, well, while the royals eat cake, we'll be over here sipping on our ice cocktails and living our best lives. Formulated with Ultralux squalene and blended into a delicious cream, our Frosé Royal Face Wash is gentle but bows to no one. Forget the London look. This is the Frosé, a new royal from the glamorous USA. I'm not going to open the packaging because I don't need a cleanser right now. And, you know, there's no sense in breaking the seal when I could pass it on to someone else. And then they know that it's not been tampered with. And that's $24. And then from Supergoop, this is much smaller than I anticipated. Supergoop's kind of fancy, kind of high end. And this is this SPF 40 broad spectrum sunscreen, water and sweat resistant for 40 minutes. And I go to the pool a lot and do water walking, and this kind of stuff is invaluable to me. Clean chemical sunscreen, reef safe, which is kind of bullshit. There's nothing that's really reef safe. Non-irritating, no synthetic fragrance, and vegan. $27. This is a really tiny tube. This is so small. But it's high-end. It's high-end sunscreen. We love it. Then we have, I've got this, I got it from BoxyCharm, but I'm super glad to get it today in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is a Pharmacy Feeling Good Hyaluronic Plumping Serum. It really is fantastic. And it's a skin plumping micro-filling serum that hydrates and smooths the look of fine lines. This powerful formula features advanced multi-molecular hyaluronic acid designed to work more effectively with the skin along the amino acids and vegan collagen peptides to deliver visibly plump, healthy looking skin. And this stuff is great. I keep it in the living room. I do a little skincare in the living room. Let's open this up safely. I don't want to tear the box up. And this is a very nice glass jar. It's frosted, and it is a great product. And I was super glad to be able to get another one from another box, so I don't have to purchase it on my own. And that is $44. And that's, I think, reasonable for that. Then we have in here from Shania B, the Bellini Cream Blush. And I'm starting to enjoy some cream blush more than I did once upon a time. I'm giving it a chance. I forever will love powder, but let's see if I can open this bad boy. Oh, this is so pale. This would be very, like just a flush of peach. It's very pretty. I don't know, it might be even too pale for me. This is $18. Then we have from Rinna Beauty. I guess that's Lisa Rinna? I don't think I have this on here. Did I get this? This is called Guilty Pleasure. Did I buy this in the add-ons? It's Lisa Rinna lips. And she's famous for her overfilled lips. And it's a beautiful lip gloss. I don't have this written down. Did I get a bonus? It's pretty. Because I've already done 4 things. This makes 5. And then last but not least is a palette from Hip Dot. And I've gotten this palette before, but I decided to choose it again. I sold it before. And this is a beautiful color story. Put the little plastic down. It's really beautiful with the blues and the greens and the golds. But I thought it'd be good for a giveaway. I'm always thinking about you guys. I do giveaways on the regular. And it's a beautiful palette. And this is $20. The pharmacy was, so everything all together was $133, not counting this lip gloss, because I don't remember doing add-ons for it. So we got the palette, the lip gloss, the Bellini blush, we got the pharmacy, we got the sunscreen, and we got the cleanser. Now this is very skincare heavy, but it's not bad because there is some makeup. So I'm not going to complain about it. But for this month of August, I'm going to give it a thumbs up. It's definitely worth the money. These 2 things make the bag for me. And if I didn't get anything else, I'd still be pretty happy. Except that I was expecting 5 things. That would make me unhappy. But you know what I'm saying. Those 2 things make it worth my while. And I hope that you have a great day or day of your choice. We look forward to seeing you again real soon. Bye.